Unit 4 Internet of Things, IoT, Contents 4.1, Overview of IoT 4.2, How does it work 4.3, IoT Tools and Platforms 4.4, Applications of IoT. In the 4.1 we're going to discuss about Overview of IoT. The most important features of IoT include artificial intelligence, connectivity, sensors, active engagement, and small device use. A brief review of these features is given below. Artificial intelligence, IoT essentially makes virtual anything smart, meaning it enhances every aspect of life with the power of data collection, artificial intelligence, algorithms, and networks. This can mean something as simple as enhancing your refrigerator and cabinet to detect when milk and your favorite cereal run low, and to then place an order with your preferred grocer. Connectivity. New enabling technologies for networking, and specifically IoT networking, mean networks are no longer exclusively tied to major providers. Networks can exist on a much smaller and cheaper scale while still being practical. Internet of Things creates these small networks between its system design devices. Sensors. IoT loses its distinction. Without sensors, they act as defining instruments that transform IoT from a standard passive network of devices into an active system capable of real-world integration. When we see active engagement, much of today's interaction with connected technology happens through passive engagement. IoT introduces a new paradigm for active content, product, or service engagement. Small devices. Devices, as predicted, have become smaller, cheaper, and more powerful over time. Internet of Things exploits purpose-built small devices to deliver its precision, scalability, and versatility. You can follow the description about the Internet of Things, which can be connected with the data network connection and sensors that might work. And let's check, what does Internet of Things, or in abbreviation IoT, what does it mean and what is their main function? Let's check it here. 4.1.1. What is IoT? The description of the Internet of Things is related to different definitions used by several groups for promoting the particular concept in the whole world. According to the Internet Architecture Board's definition, IoT is the networking of smart objects, meaning a huge number of devices intelligently communicating in the presence of Internet protocol that cannot be directly operated by human beings, but exist as components in buildings, vehicles, or the environment. According to the Internet Engineering Task Force organization's definition, IoT is the networking of smart objects in which smart objects have some constraints, such as limited bandwidth, power, and processing accessibility for achieving interoperability among smart objects. According to the IEEE Communications Category Magazine's definition, IoT is a framework of all things that have a representation in the presence of the Internet in such a way that new applications and services enable the interaction in the physical and virtual world in the form of machine-to-machine communication in the cloud. When we say, according to the Oxford Dictionary's definition, IoT is the interaction of everyday objects, computing devices through the Internet that enables the sending and receiving of useful data. The term Internet of Things, according to the 2020 conceptual framework, is expressed through a simple formula such as IoT equals to services plus data plus networks plus sensors. Generally, the Internet of Things IoT is the network of physical objects or things embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity, which enables these objects to collect and exchange data. IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. IoT is a network of devices that can sense, accumulate, and transfer data over the Internet without any human intervention.